welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you HOTT CD player. You can open it from here. We have the USB cable, USB-C. We have the earbuds, audio cable, inputs. Here is the user manual. Let's go ahead and test it out. This CD player is different than others because it has FM mode, Bluetooth connection, and equalizer. Let's go ahead and test it out. First of all, we're gonna turn it on. It is checking if there is CD or not. If you wanna connect this CD player to a Bluetooth device, right there, you need to press the Bluetooth button for 5 seconds. And then it is in pair mode. And let's go ahead and go to Bluetooth. It is trying to find it. And press on this.
Connected to HOTT CD. Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my phone. Playing from HOTT CD.
Now it's connected. Let's go ahead and put the CD and then listen. You can pause it and you can continue playing. Next track, the previous track, and you can stop it and then continue. Equalizer, right now it is in classic mode. Bass, pop, jazz, rock, classic. I like the classic one. And this option is for repeat. How many times? All or one time only. A and B. You can just choose the interval of the music and continue playing. Then, as you see, we can listen to it with Bluetooth, or you can use earbuds like that. It comes with it. This is how you open. This is the volume. Let's go ahead and test it out. You can completely turn it off. And USB-C charging. And you can reset it. When you lock it, the keys are not gonna work. If you unlock it, it's gonna work. The CD player has 4 speakers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's test it out. Volume. It is loud. That's good. And equalizer, I'm changing it. You can turn down the volume. Now we're gonna test the FM mode. Let's go ahead and turn it on first. We're gonna press and hold the FM mode. Right now it's active. There are 5 stations. If you want to change it, 87.5, 88.1, 89.1, 90.5, and the last one 95.5. Let's go ahead and go to the radio, 87.5, and then let's now let's pause and continue. You can transmit the music through radio. Pause and continue. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video.